see the sky. There's bliss even in the stars from the rain. There's land falling, or we can rise again. And there is a new day. There's a dream in every person's heart. There's a wish that can't fall apart. There is joy in knowing that at the break of dawn we can start over again and be grateful to the end. There's always snow in this one's life when we can get up and touch the sky. When we land to the great land, we shall find the meaning of what we see. And long for a seaside. What we do is make someone shine. Many thoughts and reasons giving in to despair. At times when we break